So, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a raindrop. I kind of just learned it. Well, I learned it, but then my friend told, there's multiple ways you can do the raindrop, or the raindrop with your mouth. One thing, you can do it like this, or this. And I can do it like this better. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is say wit. Wit, wit, wit. Don't actually say it, but like, see how little my mouth is right now? And then you go like this. Don't say it, but like mouth it. Like, blow out air while you're saying that. And then lick your cheek, but not hard. And keep doing that, but you can do it like any way. And I'm going to get up a video here. It's going to show you real quick. Alrighty. Well, while you're waiting, this takes really hard. I just learned it. Go check out my how to do the wolf whistle video. I just posted it a little bit ago. And I'm going to get up a video and you're going to hear it, like how to do it, if you know what I mean. But, yeah. Sorry. And guess what? I learned how to do it with like a 7-Up bottle. Gotta be like halfway full. Ready? Hang on. I try really hard to do. But this. Hang on. But so there's that, and then I'm gonna get the video up real quick. I think this might work. This one.
Okay, hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do raindrop noise. Pretty easy. I learned it about 2 days ago, but I'm pretty decent at it. So, I'm going to be showing you
I'm better,
my dogs.
obviously.
No, I'm just kidding.
Vicks NyQuil. The nighttime sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching, fever, best.
Sorry about this, guys, but
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be teaching you guys a cool mouth noise lick tongue trick, I guess. I'm not sure if you guys can see me. I'm just going to scoot in a little bit. Hello, camera. So anyway, it's the water
this
drop.
is a video off
See if I can
YouTube.
do it right now. Noise.
That, so what you're gonna do is put your teeth like this, and then once you blow, holding your breath, see, so hard. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye-bye.